Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Google Classroom on your device. So first thing we're going to do is go into the Classroom application, and after that we will have an option how we log in or with what account that we will log in. And after we log in with the email that we choose, we have two options. Either we want to join a class or create a class. Join class means we are students and we already received the class code from our teacher, and we just need to enter the code here. But if you are a teacher that you want to have a create a class, just go into the create a class, mark this section and click continue, and after that you just need to fulfilling this just like according to the class that you want to create. For me, I want to click EA in this section. I want to do sections 2 with the rooms 3, which means that all of the class 3 students will be included here. And then for the subject, I am math teacher, so I just click math, and after we finish just click create and hold on until the class is ready. So here we already have our class, and how to invite the student, just go into the people and go invite. You can like directly copy the link and share into the WhatsApp group, or you can also enter the email of the students. But if you want to add more teachers that or your partner, you just click here to enter the email of your friends who help you to teach. Okay, so if you finish to add or invite the students, you can, and you have an announcement to do, just go into the section and type what announcement that you want to announce. For me, okay, let's say there will be a quiz on Monday. Sept. Okay, and then you just, after you finish to have information, click post, and now you already have announcement on your class that can be accessed by all of your students that included into this class. So that's how you use the Google Classroom on your device. If you find that it's very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.